If you wanted to use System.io in order to add people to your email marketing list, what you'll notice is that if you go to the webhook area, you actually need a webhook URL in order to transfer information out. That means then that the webhook connection will not work within GetResponse to connect the two platforms. As of the recording of this video, System.io does have an active campaign integration, but still not a GetResponse integration. That means then that we would need to use a third-party cloud-based connector as we did with Gumroad in order to connect to our GetResponse account. So within Zapier, if you were to look for System.io, you'll notice that System.io does have a connection that you can make. Now in System, the event trigger can be a new sale or new opt-in. In this particular case, we would assume that we are talking about a new sale. We would then click Continue, the funnel and funnel page. We would test the trigger, and then we would connect to our GetResponse account. We would then create or update a contact in GetResponse. We would then choose the list. And then once we map the contact, we can then click Continue. We can test our step to send a contact to GetResponse. Once we verify that a contact has been sent and that we do have an updated contact in GetResponse, we can then publish the Zap. And basically, whenever there's a new sale made in our System.io account, that individual will then be added to our GetResponse list. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.